And what was the startup package?
In
What
a,
did you do for?
in a starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimizations and promotions, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. This is Parabi and Mr. Fakhruddin and me. We are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. So recently, our team member Mr. Fakhruddin has talked with you about YouTube marketing related work and YouTube promotions related work. So how we can move forward?
Yes, I understand your story. I don't know if you know my story because I'm just a small player. I'm doing this for a hobby. My main goal is to show people, to share my passion with other people. Um, my main goal is not to get monetized. If it is possible, okay, but it's not my main goal. And what I liked is that I get more engaged viewers that do my fitness exercises together with me. Because at this moment on my channel, you can see that I have 10,000 subscribers, but most of them are only bots. I worked with the social media growth group for a short while, and they promised me to provide real subscribers to me, engaged subscribers. But in the end, they gave me 10,000 subscribers, but all of them in the end are seem to be bots because they don't do anything. They only show up in my channel, and if you compare the views with my subscribers, it doesn't match together because the if you look to 10,000 subscribers, you should expect more views as I have now. I think if you look to the engaged subscribers, I think a couple of hundred that will be max. The rest is all bots. For now, I think it's good to have those 10,000 there because that's a kind of window dressing. But the social media group is a scam for me, so that's over. And now I'm looking for a method to get more engaged viewers so that I don't have the feeling that I'm doing this only for myself, but that I can also share this with people who appreciate my effort.
I
That's
see.
what I'm doing. And with that said, is that small player hobby. I'm not the guy that will pay you huge amounts of money. I can't pay too much for you for everything. So that's the beginning. I want to do this low profile, but with an aim that I get more engaged subscribers.
Okay, I see. So at first, one thing need to be clear. You have faced scammed before,
Yeah.
and you gain you already killed your channel, because when you gain bots or fake subscribers on your channel, then this channel is almost freezed by YouTube algorithm. So when you do fake things, then YouTube will freeze your channel. So
Mm.
that is the alarming thing for your channel. But if we try to grow your channel right now, it would be so hard for us, because already YouTube algorithm freeze your channel because of the for bots subscribers. But if you want, we can try a bit, and if you want, we can optimize all of the problem, and then we try to promote your videos through Google ads. If you promote your videos through Google ads, then YouTube, you will get more organic traffic and subscribers according to your niche. And after doing one or two promotions, then you will start to getting some organic traffic. But it would be very difficult to grow this channel because you have gained 10,000 robotics subscribers. That's the alarming topic. Is a starter and another is standard package. In our starter package, we can optimize and promote you 10 videos. and it costs 120 USD, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize you 30 video including SEO and promotions, and it costs 300 USD. So you can start with our starter package, and we can try with the small package, and we will try our best to uh, regain your channel growth. And if we capable, then definitely we can move forward.
Okay. Um,
But it's really alarming thing is that you have got 10,000 robotics views. That's the main alarming things for your channel. And if you do hard work, if you do create quality content, if you do create high volume, high CTR thumbnail, and even though YouTube algorithm will not give you the impression and reach.
so if I'm able to get rid of those bots, that would be better.
Yeah, said you earlier that we will try our best. We will try our best to get rid of from these bots views, and we will try our best to give you the 100% organic traffic from your targeted location.
Uh,
And
what I meant is I got those fake bots from the social media group. If I go to the media group and I say, please take them back, maybe they do that, maybe they don't, because they will say from, okay, no, that are all real subscribers. But I don't believe that, because I have those 10,000 subscribers already for more than a year, and they don't do anything. So that has to be bots. Uh, I think first thing to do is that I go to the social media group and try to get rid of all those bots.
yeah, I
Then
think
I'm
I think they can't remove these subscribers, because once it gain, then they can't remove. But you can talk with them. If they can remove, then it would be good.
would be better. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So that's one thing. The other thing is you mentioned some prices. Uh,
Two
uh,
packages, one is starter and another is standard. But we can't guarantee you that we can fix that problem, and we can we can make regrowth your channel, because we will try. You can take our starter package, and we will try our best to gain growth of your channel. And we will do organic marketing, we will do title tag and description optimizations, and we will do promotion also to your targeted audience. And after doing that we will think about that channel, that it is growing or not. Then we will suggest you that you should go with this channel, or you can create another new channel.
okay. But the prices you mentioned again, what was it? What was your price?
120 for a starter, and 300 USD for standard.
And what was the startup package?
in
What
a
did you do for?
In a starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimizations and promotions, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work.
Okay. No, to be honest, for me, that's too expensive. I'm now working with a guy that does it for €5 per video, and he does optimizing, and he does also a video how do you that YouTube advertisement. And what we see is that if he does that advertisement, I can get up to 10,000 views per video. And sometimes he tries not to advertise to see what the YouTube algorithm is doing. And then I go back to around 100 views. So my normal views without advertising is around 100 per video. And with advertisement, I reached 1K views and also longer time views for a few times. For the videos if there is YouTube advertisement. And I do this now with a guy. He helps me a lot. For Algorithm, of how you know them. He's very persistent. He's already following me for more than a year. So I appreciate that. And for that, I said, okay, I will give you a chance. Let's see what you can do for me. But the prices you mentioned are, yeah, in comparison to that other guy who I'm really satisfied with his effort, that I say, okay, no, that's too much for me. So
Okay,
I
no
think,
problem. Our team member, Mr. Fakhruddin, will provide you some discount, and then he will be on task with you. And Fakhruddin will do for you, and he is a very expert guy, and he help you to gain your channel growth also. And our payment system is when you hire us, you do not need to pay full amount in upfront. You just pay 50% upfront, and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, PayPal, and Payoneer also. And we have two method to start the work. One is you can give your channel editor access to us, then we can optimize each of the things. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links, 10 video links, then we'll make a report sheet, then we'll hand over to you, then you just implement to your videos by yourself. So our team member, Mr. Fakhruddin, would be your contact person. He would be on task with you. So he will give you his best price. Then if you interested with that price, then we can move forward. No problem.
okay, that's okay. I'll wait for that. Your working system, I'm acquainted with that because I worked with I hard names for Corridum. I worked with him before, I think more than a year ago, and we did it on the same way. And I know how to pay, and I know how you work. You can do it in my channel or offline, so that I do it by myself. Okay, that's all known. I know that. Um, I see now your site. I will look to that again after this video. You know what I pay for a guy where I'm kind of satisfied with, but I was looking for, okay, because your colleague was very persistent, and I like his method of communication, so that's good. And I wanted to give him a chance, if maybe we can switch to you instead of that other guy. But on the other side, if I'm satisfied with one, the other one has to be better before I switch to that other one.
Okay,
So
sounds
if
good.
if if your if your price will be higher, yeah, inclusive YouTube advertisement, if it is higher than €5 per video, it ends here because I'm sorry, I pay that now. I'm satisfied, and if you can't do better or for the same price, then yeah, it's
Okay,
good
okay,
that you spend your time, but then it's over, and I go further with my other
okay,
partner.
okay. Okay, I see. So we'll think about it, and very
Mm.
soon we will let you know. No problem. So thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye
Yeah, bye
bye.
bye.